Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to take screenshot without touching the iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and now just click on this accessibility option. Now just scroll up. Now you will see here voice control, just click on it. Now just turn on this voice control option. Now you can minimize it. Now in order to take screenshot, just speak or say take screenshot. So now you can see here it's taking a screenshot for me. So you simply need to use your voice in order to take a screenshot. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily take screenshot without touching the iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.